Hello guys and welcome to another game of chess where we are going to analyze 4-knight game. So in this game, the first thing that white plays is pawn to e4, replies by pawn to e5, and then this is the standard position. So now here what you can see is black and white both have played exact similar moves, and now the best option that white has is to go ahead and develop its bishop, and that's what he does. Now there is a very interesting trap that black can apply here to go ahead and gain position advantage. So black can go ahead and just take this pawn right here, and then white would be tempted. White would think that this is a mistake from black and he would just capture. But then black has this amazing move to go ahead and attack both of bishop and knight with his pawn. Now there are two options that white has. White can go ahead and either save the bishop or the knight, or it can try to attack the knight of black by pushing the bishop here. In this case, black can directly go ahead and take the knight and attack the other knight which is placed on f3. Now white is in total misery. He was thinking some time back that he got a free knight, but now the position looks in favor of black. This gets worsen if white tries to be greedy and take this pawn right here. Because if he does that, he feels that the knight cannot move because it's check from bishop. But then you have this amazing move that is queen to g5. Now you're attacking both his knight and bishop together. If he tries to go ahead and exchange pieces by capturing it through his bishop, then you can just capture back with your pawn. And now again, if white feels that there is a free pawn on the take and he takes this, then you can directly move your queen to the g2 square and attack his rook. Now if he wants to defend, the only option he has is to move his rook, and that's what he does. Then you have another amazing move, a biggest trap of this all, that is bishop to g4, and now his queen is gone. No matter what he does, the queen is gone. So in this case, if he moves his pawn ahead, then you have to take it again from your pawn right here. And now if he wants to go ahead and make some space for his queen to move out similar in this direction, then you can just push your pawn ahead and again attack his queen and also attack his king in one move. The option that he would have is only to go ahead and move his king, and then you can directly capture his queen. He captures back, and now you capture his rook as well. Now it's a complete mess of white. He can either resign, but if he wants to continue playing, he just moves here and then you just give him a check. Then he moves here and then you just make another queen out of the pawn, and it's a brilliant checkmate. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do subscribe so that we can get motivated to make more of such videos. Thank you.